Unlock better Gemini Pro results. Iterate. You already know Google Gemini Pro is a powerful AI partner for business, helping generate content and ideas. But are you getting the absolute best from it? Let's move beyond the basics. Here's a pro tip to truly tailor Gemini's output to your exact needs. The impactful tip is iterate and refine with follow-up prompts. Don't just accept the first response. Treat Gemini Pro as an assistant you can guide. For instance, if Gemini drafts a marketing proposal, you can follow up with, "That's a solid start. Now make the executive summary more concise." Or, "Can you rephrase the benefits to target a more technical audience?" Or, "Add 3 data points to support the market analysis section." This iterative process allows you to sculpt Gemini Pro's responses, ensuring the final output is precisely aligned with your strategic goals, tone, and specific business context. It's about dialogue, not just dictation. Start refining your Google Gemini Pro interactions today. Iterate for excellence and achieve superior business results. Unlock that next level. Like this tip? Follow us for more AI and Excel productivity tips. Let's go!